Hello everyone. In today's episode, I'm going to talking about the server side tagging of Google Tag Manager. Actually, you guys know server side tagging is the very important for marketing channels and advertising platform because browser side tracking is dead now because browser side tracking did not give you the accurate data, and that's why I'm going to and in today's video I'm going to talking about how you can create a step.io account and how you connect this step, how you tagging the step.io account to the Google Tag Manager server container. Okay, and you can ask me what is step.io. Actually, if you visit the step.io, then you can see here the easiest way to server side tracking. And the if we want to track the if we want to set up the server side tracking, then we need a dedicated cloud server, and Step is one of them, and it's a best service provider of for server side tagging. And today's video I'm going to talking about how you can connect this step.io and Google Tag Manager server container. Okay, that's why first of all we need a step.io account. That's why you have to visit step.io. Then you can then you have to click over the login or try for free. If you have not any account in step.io, then just click over try for free. Then there is an two option where you will use step.io. You can choose your location here, or you can either you can use global or UE. Okay, it's for union Europe Union. Okay, okay, sorry, I have to back here, and this is the sign up button. And actually you have to sign up in the step.io. It's a very simple step. Actually I have the step.io account, that's why I'm going to log in. Okay, this is the login page. Actually when you click over the try for free, then you will go to the sign up page. Then just place here your email address. As example place here your email address. Okay, then just choose your location. Then just click over here. By signing up you agree to a steps terms of user service. You can also you can read the user step.io terms of service. Okay, then just click over this box. Then just click over the sign up. Then step.io will send you an email to your email sent. Check your inbox for the next step. Just you have to check your email, then just click over, then have to click over the confirmation email. Okay, there's the sign up setup. It's very simple. I think you can do it. And I have a step.io account, then that's why I have to log in the step.io. Then there is a login form. Then I have to log in here. I have some account in step.io. Okay, then just I log in my step.io account. Also I need Google Tag Manager account. Okay, there is a lot of account that I managed for my manage for my client. You can see there is a lot of account that I manage for my client. And now I'm going to create a new brand new Google Tag Manager account to show you how you can connect step.io with the Google Tag Manager server container. That's why just I have to click over the create account. There you will find this option for create account. Okay, then just first of all you have to choose the web. First of all we need a web container for server side tracking, and then just choose your country, and then just set your business name. As example, now I am going to name this account like this. Okay, then I choose my country, then just share my data. Then it's your opinion. You can share this your data with Google or anything else. Okay, then just play then just write here your container name. Now I'm going to create a web container. That's why web container name should be like this: YouTube content, and it's a web container. That's why I just write web. Then just click over the create. Then your account will be create. Okay, now I want to tell you how server side tracking work. Okay, server side tracking actually work like this way. As example, this is one of your website user. They visit your website by a browser. As example, the browser should be Chrome, Safari, and others browser. Okay, then browser side tracking actually work. Someone visit your browser, then someone visit your website by a browser. Then we set up the Google Tag Manager web container with this website. Then with by cookie or the click ID and the others cookie, website will send the data. Website will send the data to Google Tag Manager by the cookie. Then Google Tag Manager web container will send this data to the Google Analytics or Facebook. Okay, but this tracking, this step and this system is not work nowadays, because some of browser block cookie, some of user add use ad blocker, and that's why the browser side tracking nowadays is not working. Instead, server side tracking is working fine. And as example, your website a website user visit your website by a browser. Then from the browser, data will be stored in cloud server without cookie system. Then they will from the cloud server with help Google Tag Manager server container, we can send the data directly to our platform. As example, Google Analytics and Facebook, TikTok, Google Ads, etc. Okay, hopefully you understand how server side tracking is working, and there is an article. You can read this article, and this article topic is benefits of server side tracking, and you can read all of the article. Then you can understand the importance of this server side tracking. More accurate data collection and conversion tracking, first party cookies and extended cookie lifetime, then the data control, compliance and control, reduction of the impact of ad blockers, data enrichment. You can read all of the benefits of server side tracking. Okay, now I'm going to create the Google Tag Manager account for the server container. Then we will connect step.io and Google Tag Manager. Okay, this is the Google Tag Manager web container. Actually, we have to connect our Google Tag Manager web container with our website. When we create a Google Tag Manager web container, Google Tag Manager will give us a code. That is the code, and that is the code. It's the head code and it's the body code. The both code is script code, and it's the JavaScript code, and pattern looks like HTML, but it's the JavaScript code. We have to add these two script in our website. On this one will be add in the header, and this one will be add in the body. Okay, then our Google Tag Manager web container will be connected with our website. Then we have to create some tag and some trigger for our tracking. Then we will send this data to our server container. Actually, we will create a server container in the next step. Then we have to we have to create some tag, trigger, and the variable to send the server container to send data or event to our server container. Then from the server container, with help of step.io, we will send this event and the event or all of those data to our targeted platform like Google Analytics and Facebook. Okay, we will create a more video about the server side tracking and how we can set up the server side for Google Analytics and Facebook conversion. Okay, I will create a more video about this topic. Okay, now I'm going to create a web container, server container for our step.io and the server side tagging. For that, I have to go to the admin section. Okay, then I have to create a new container, not account. Already we have a account in a Google tag, in a Google account. We can create a lot of Google Tag Manager account, and in a Google Tag Manager account we can create more container here. Okay, as example, we need to set up a web browser site tracking or website tracking. Then we have to create the web container. If we need a server side tracking, then we have to create a server container. If we are working with a iOS app or Android app, then we have to create the container for your apps. Okay, and in this case we don't have any app, that's why I'm going to set up I want to show you this setup for the website. Okay, and this name should be YouTube content for it should be for server. Okay, then just have to click over the create, then our container will be create. Okay, we will do in the next step. Okay, let's close it, and then have to go to inside step dashboard. Then when we just land the app.step.io dashboard, then we can see here a lot of option. In my case, there I can see recent GTM container. There I can see a lot of GTM container. Actually, it's all of them are for my business and for my clients. Okay, that's why there is a lot of account. But in your case, you can't see any account. You have to create a container. Actually, it should be GTM container. When you go here, then you can see here a lot of account here. It's all of my business and all of my client. And then if I click over here, then I can see I can create a new container for my new business or new website, something like that. Okay, then if I click over the create container, then I have to put here my business name or container name. It should be in our business name. Sorry. Okay, then there is an option for the container configuration. And if I go in the Google Tag Manager inside or Google Tag Manager dashboard in the server container, this is the server container, actually YouTube container server, YouTube content server. Then I can see there is an on more code, and if I click over this code, if I click over this number, then there is an option automatically provision tagging server. And if I click over here, then Google Tag Manager will redirect me Google Cloud. Also, Google Cloud is one of others best cloud server for the server side tracking. But in this video, I am going to cover the step.io. That's why I am going to choose the manual provision tagging server. When I click over the manual provision tagging server, then Google Tag Manager give me a code. Then if I copy this code, then I have to paste this code in here in the container configuration. Okay, then I have to click over the create to create this account. Okay, then there is an option for the pro plan, pro plus, business, and the free plan. Okay, and if I click over the free, then I can see this number of requests. Okay, now you can ask me what is request. Okay, as example for that, I have to open a website. Okay, as example, this is a website, as example, just I visit this website, that's mean on request will be left, that's mean on event equal on request for the step. Okay, then if I go to a other space, as example, if I click over the service, then if for this service button, if I add a event, then on more request will be gone, that's mean on event equal on request. Okay, in this step. And if you start your server side tagging with this free plan, because this number of it's a huge number for a beginner, and if you and then when your request will, this number of requests will be gone, then you can you can upgrade your container to pro or pro plus. Okay, now I'm going to I am going to with the free plan, then just continue with the free plan. Okay, then then Step.io recommend me to create a billing account, but now I'm not interested. That's why just I'm going to GTM, back to GTM server container. Then when I see there, when I come in the dashboard, and when I just logged in the dashboard in the inside Step.io, then I can see our container is running. And if I refresh this page, and also it's now it's still running, that's mean it's connected. Then if I come here, and if I refresh this page, and there is an one more way to see our server container Google Tag Manager server container and Step.io server tagging is connected or not. And for that, for more test, you can click over this preview. Okay, sorry, there is a one more task is left. When we complete this step inside Step.io, then step will give me a URL. It's a server URL, server tagging server URL. I have to copy this URL, then I have to go to the admin, and then I have to go to admin inside Google Tag Manager server side server container. Then there is an option for the container settings, then I have to add this URL here. Okay, then I have to save this configuration. Now it will be working. Okay, then if I go to the preview section, we have to wait for some time to see this preview is working or not. Okay, then just look at here, this page is loaded, and there we did not see any data, because just now I did not send any of the event, any of the data from the browser side. That's why it's not, there is no event. But for this preview, this preview is loaded. That's mean Google Tag Manager server container and the Step.io is connected. If the Step.io and the Google Tag Manager will not be connected, then there we can see this page is error, and we can see this page is not loaded. That if this page is loaded, that's mean our Google Tag Manager server container and the Step.io server tagging is connected. Okay, I will, in the next video, I will cover how you set up the Google Analytics server side tracking with Google Tag Manager server container and Step.io. Okay, thank you so much for watch this video.